All right, Kent, we're almost ready for our test drive. Why don't you tell us a story about the car?
Well, this is Lila Ely's brand new Dodge Monaco that she bought from Kirby's Dodge in Arlington, Virginia in 1970. I've got the original paperwork, the original sales contract, the original window sticker, everything from that day, including her credit application.
Wow.
Yeah, and Lila lived right in the District of Columbia. I've got a picture of her house and everything. She lived in a 2-story brick home in DC, and she evidently was a single lady and ended up leaving the car to her nephew who liked old cars. And the car had been parked in her garage for several years because evidently she couldn't drive towards the end. And her nephew replaced all the gas lines, the fuel filter, cleaned out the gas tank and rebuilt the carburetor and got it running again. And then he ended up selling it, and it has had 2 more owners. He sold it to a guy named Vern Parker, and then Vern Parker sold it to the guy that I bought it from, and he neglected the car, left it sitting outside. The car had been a pristine original example 10 years ago. It came with a great big trophy that stands about this tall, and it was the best original car in a 2009 car show in the DC area somewhere.
Wow.
And it's all over the internet. Vern Parker has it on his website, and it tells the whole history of the car on these internet websites as well. So I'm just thrilled to death to have this car. And the car was used in the movie Argo in 2012, I think it was. And it's in a scene towards the end of the movie where, gosh, what's his name?
Ben Affleck.
Ben Affleck, yeah. Ben Affleck is walking up the sidewalk towards his home, and this car slowly drives by in front of him as he's walking up the sidewalk.
Famous car.
Yeah.
Famous car.
So
Pseudo-famous.
this will be the first time it's been out now for months, and it never got washed when I got it in July because I had a broken hip and couldn't wash it with a walker. So tomorrow will be the first day that I've ever washed it.
Kent's going to give it a bath tomorrow.
Yeah.
Right now, we're going on our maiden voyage in the Monaco. I mean, you and I took a cruise in it in August when it wasn't running too hot, and we came up with what we needed to do. But we're gonna go for a drive. You ready?
All right, let's
Kent's
go.
excited.